topic of today's debate is animal testing. To your left is the pro team, and they will be sharing about reasons for why animal testing is good in our society. And to your right will be the con team, and they will also be presenting about why animal testing is not good.
Many different kind of medicines, so it can help to develop technology and chemical medicine skills. For example, in your life, you get flu shots every year.
First of all,
But the
compared to the number of human lives that are saved through animal testing, very few animals are used in research, which is a small price to pay to dramatically improve medical advancement.
Another reason why animal testing is important is because not only does it benefit humans, but it also benefits animals. If vaccines were not tested on animals, thousands and thousands of animals would die from disease that hasn't been found a proper cure.
Enough money to research and enough material to test animals on, they would have to kill every single animal in their lab. Since it's illegal to let go of any kind of animal that was in the lab, even though they never got tested on.
Our team's opinion is that animal testing is wrong. Animal testing refers to the process when scientists make medicine, they have to test the medicine to check its safety. Animal testing makes sure whether or not the
Animal
medicine
testing is very inaccurate. It makes scientists have wrong ideas about solutions to unsolved medication problems. It doesn't even benefit us humans. If you think about animal testing in the animal's perspective,
Human cells and scientific chemicals are more reasonable, more helpful, and give more dependable results. Also, many countries already use alternative.
Our team thinks that animal testing is cruel and not beneficial. Like Yuri said, most of the animals are not covered by the Animal Welfare Act. Even though if they're covered by the Animal Welfare Act, they can still be tortured and abused.
most of their DNA. Now, how do you explain all the failures of animal testing?
Well, there are other factors that make the results different. So it's actually emphasizing and signifying how more important the humans are than the animals. So what do you think about that?
I'm saying that even Jesus loves animals, so I think we should treat animals with love.
And other Bible verses tell us that we should treat animals the same
Do you
way.
think animal testing sometimes benefits animals? And why don't they use human instead of animals?
Because human lives are more valuable than animals. Because God made humans in the image of Him.
But animal testing is not abusing animals.
They're killing every single animal that they do before the test.
They don't kill like every single animal that we test.
But many of them animals are still being used by scientists.
It's for the benefits of
To
humans.
like ban the animal testing, how will the medicines get checked if they are safe or not?
You test them on alternatives like what was about to say.
Alternatives are made of human cells and more reasonable chemicals. Without living objects to test products on, it is not possible to know the effects that they can have in living organisms. What do you think about that?
Sometimes they test it on cells that are alive.
But like cells, one cell from many cells is not living. If it's like one-celled organism, then it is living. But if you take one cell from many cells, that's not living.
You're testing a drug, right? And then if you only have partially of an organ, it's supposed to say, like, it's supposed to cure cancer in your lungs. But if you only have a partial lung, how do you check the side effects that could be caused outside the lungs if you don't have the whole body system?
Just because it works for animals, it doesn't really work for humans when it works for animals. So I think it's like worth a try to do it on alternatives instead of like using a real live thing.
I think it's better than testing like humans immediately. That's what we were saying. It's better than testing in humans, so that's why we're preferring animal testing, because we don't want to test them in humans.
Animals also have not lives, so we think we should use alternatives.
We use more money, but some people don't have money.
Saying you can buy it like
But it costs a lot to develop it, right? Because it like obviously requires more technology, and it needs to be accurate since it's not like already a living thing that you can just like test right on, right?
Yeah, but it's at least it's cheaper than animals.
But it costs a lot and like the process of making one.
We'll have the audience also vote their votes. But everyone did a really good job of presenting their cases and also with answering all these difficult questions. But the result was that the pro team actually won the debate by 2 votes. So good job, everyone.
Today's debate topic is animal hunting, and the side to the right will be arguing for hunting and why hunting is good. The left side will argue for why hunting is bad. And
Do you
we'll start
think
the
it's
debate.
right to let animals suffer for a long time just for fun or because people also need a meat or something close?
I guess hunting is good because people have enjoyment and fun about it. Is it right to kill life just for fun?
Still, or can eat and then really fun more. So
Animals that were hunted by the hunters, would you be okay if they killed you just for fun?
Or just dying already.
So it would be okay with you just dying because the hunters hunted you just
Like bigger animals eat smaller animals, like fox eats rabbits. Fox eat rabbits, and if there are too many fox, then there would be not enough rabbits to eat. I'm asking the question to con team, and then they would eat like all of the meat, like cattle, pigs, and chicken. And you actually do need the fat from the animals to stay healthy and balanced. So, yeah, what's your opinion on
We
that?
don't actually eat animals by hunting a wild animals because people think that there are other disease they have or germs, so we can.
Sure votes.
Okay, vote no.
Ended. Everyone's answered all their questions. So it looks like by overwhelming amount, the con took the win today. So congrats, con. Everyone clap.